Counting fun. Let's count how many are there in each group. Draw a line to the correct number. How many cars are there? 1, 2, 3. This is number 3. So you have to draw this line towards 3. How many pieces of watermelon are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to draw this line towards 4. This is 1, number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number 5. Shoes 1, 2. This is called matching the objects with numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Let's count the objects now. How many objects are here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So these are 20. This is called forward counting. Now let's count backward. If we counted numbers 1 to 20, that means if we count backward from 20 to 1, these same objects will be there and we will count 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. In this way, both counting 1 to 20 forward and 20 to 1 backward can be practiced repeatedly so that children will learn numbers 1 to 20, both forward counting and backward counting. And after that, you can show them random numbers to test whether the child has learnt or not. For example, you can show number 7. Ask the child to identify the number, whether it is 4 or 3 or 7. In this way, you can practice.